Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators. I want to share with you my latest tool, which is a spin to one of our earlier distance calculators. So this is a request that comes from the trucking and logistic world, and it is to not just calculate the miles for a trip, but also what we call the deadhead miles. The deadhead miles are the miles or the trip driven from the end of the first trip to the beginning of the next trip, right? So the distance between the end of the delivery of a load to the picking up of the next load. These are called deadhead miles, as the truck is usually empty and the driver goes back to pick up the next load, right? Let me show you how it works. First, the tool is built in Excel for ease of use, and it makes it absolutely the easiest to use tool of its kind. The idea was born to have a tool that is just as easy to use as using basic Microsoft Excel data entry, as that is something that most users are familiar with. Also, the tool uses the power of the Google Maps, which will get you a real driving distance and the real driving time right directly into your Excel spreadsheet. To use the tool is extremely easy. You enter or paste the trip, starting and ending addresses in columns B and C. Once we do that, we click on the Calculate button, and the tool will automatically calculate the distances between those trips, right, which is between B and C, and also the deadhead miles in column E, which are the miles from the end of trip 1 to the beginning of next trip. And all those will be displayed into those columns, column D and column E. It's just as easy as that. You can copy and paste the data just like you would in Excel. To download the tool is extremely easy. Just remember, it's built in Excel, nothing to install. Just click on the description of the link. And as somebody who's been building logistics and transportation software for the last 13 years, I can also help you with any other logistics software needs, so feel free to contact me. You'll also find my contact, my email, and my phone number right onto the website. Thank you a lot for checking us out, and until the next time.